Okay, here we are. Brand new Genie MachForce opener. It's a 2 horsepower. The others were 3/4, so this is much faster. The screw is a lot stiffer. I put the little optical things up there out of the way. And if you go over to the door panel, since the old opener still works, I got this double thing that's just screwed down there. This is the new panel, and then we'll be able to put the old panel over on the side when we install it. And when you press the button, see the door open. A couple of bright lights. Fairly fast, faster than the other one. And this is the remote control. They're much smaller than the other one, and they work down the street. So if I press the top button, we'll see the door close. And that's normal speed for closing, a little slower than opening. That's your new garage door opener, and tomorrow should be able to have it connected to the internet after I call Genie.